Hi, this is Harsha Muktamat here, and welcome to the Compi 202, my extra credit project for sequence diagram. I've already submitted the project for the UML parser, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the sequence diagram capability of my source code. To begin with, this is the problem statement, or this is the requirement for the extra credit. One is to partner with the 281 Compi 281 student, in fact, couple of students, and then the GitHub link as well as the URL link of the YouTube. I'm going to provide all these items, and this is a video for that. Getting on to the sequence diagram. So this is the source code for my sequence diagram, and let me just quickly explain. So there are three classes, and this is the main static class. And in this particular class, I am just taking the input of the test, for which I'll be creating the sequence diagram. And in this, I'm instantiating two objects, one for the Java parser util, which is the actual Java parser source code. And then the other object is going to be the plant UML util. Okay, so going on, the other couple of important things which I wanted to mention was this is the README which I'll be submitting in this particular project, and this will have the YouTube video link, and then the sequence diagram. And here I've also mentioned the students and their YouTube videos with whom I've partnered with for Compi 281. And from the project perspective, there are a couple of important things. So I have used Eclipse in my development, and I've also used external libraries called Java Parser and PlantUML for the sequence diagram drawing. So important thing is these require the third-party software called GraphViz. So make sure it is installed on your computer. And this is how I've executed. If you just want to quickly execute, just download my zip file, import my package onto your Eclipse IDE, and then just mention where you want to just mention the arguments, and then you're good to go. So this is the sample output of my sequence diagram once it's parsed through my Java parser and drawn by the PlantUML. And the external libraries, as I mentioned earlier, are basically the Java parser and the GraphViz software installed and the PlantUML. Okay, coming on to the code. So this is the static main program, the class, and from here as I mentioned earlier, instantiate a couple of objects. The first object is the Java parser util. This is the place where I am actually doing the parsing. This is the same where I had mentioned in my UML parser also. And I actually generate the parser here, and then the actual drawing is happened here. The PlantUML is the library which I use, and this is the place. Okay, so my let me quickly show what parameters I have given in my this particular example. So the sequence diagram, whatever the professor had given, is mentioned in this particular location, and I pass where it has to generate the sequence diagram. So when I execute this particular code, so I do get the sequence diagram here. So here is where I actually, okay, let me just execute once again. And let me show. Okay, so this is where my sequence diagram is generated. and this is a sequence diagram which has been parsed by my source code and generated by the PlantUML. Okay, so this is all about my extra credit sequence diagram demo, and I'll be submitting this in the assignment. And thanks for watching. Thank you.